EVERIE brings the new invention of the glass top organizer, which holds both big and small Vertuo capsules. It is made of solid steel frame with glass top and solid plastic drawer. With its see-through glass top, the capsules could be displayed obviously and accessible. It's of a small footprint of 12 inches wide by 16.5 inches deep by 3.5 inches high. It's pretty easy to fill the drawer just by simply keeping pods standing up with colored bottom part outwards and placing them into the slots. Patent-pending design of the slots holds both sizes of Vertuo capsules, making sure no inner space within the drawer is wasted. It holds up to 40 big or 52 small capsules or mixed items of them. Streamlined design with solid materials brings the stylish look and makes it decor in your kitchen. EVERIE drawer is not only functional but also decor to your kitchen. Patents pending.